So Danny, tell me what you got going on in those things right there.
So we got some solar floodlights. We got them on TikTok shop.
On all of my properties, Danny knows this, what do we do?
Motion lights on all the corners.
All four corners motion lights, and that has to happen on every property. Why?
Because if someone's going to break in and they see a light come on, then they're
less likely
to do some damage.
Have you seen people break into my properties before?
Countless times.
Countless times. People actually break into shit?
Yeah, it's
Do the police do a lot about it?
No.
They don't do anything?
Absolutely nothing.
We left the light on in here. Basically, this thing needs to just be wiped down. We've got a window here. Did you talk to them already, Danny?
I have not yet.
All right, so this needs to go on there. We need to have a replacement window from Earthwise. So this would be the left upper unit, and then this is the bedroom in the top left unit. We have an issue with the HVAC as well. Actually had this property sold twice, but we couldn't pass building inspect. We couldn't pass city code inspection. So it's literally been the longest rehab of my life, but we're done. It's been sold twice. Now it's gotta be sold a third time. We just couldn't pass the inspections, so.
Doorknobs.
Yeah, we need doorknobs in here. Everything else here is good. This just needs to be wiped down and clean. That's a good looking, don't you think? I'm trying to think what I should order in bulk. Something like this. Something white.
White quartz would, because that's what, they want in all the flips usually.
Yeah. Does it look like they even stained this one? No, I mean polyed.
It's just not a shiny finish poly. I bet you doing that floor shine would just polish them right up. Because you can see like over here where there isn't foot traffic, it looks good. And then everywhere where it's people's shoes from the dust and stuff.
All right, so we gotta just shine these floors up. All right, so that's it. Doorknobs. What's this for, Danny?
That upstairs laundry closet.
So that needs to be put up there?
Yeah.
All right, so upstairs laundry closet door is in entrance to stairwell. We got keys for this?
Yeah.
So last time we were here, Danny was able to fix the floor vents. So we just gotta probably clean this up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, I vacuumed. They use these as trash cans.
Yeah.
There's so much trash inside them.
So we just need to probably have them clean this up a little bit and re-stain right around here. Where's the other broken window? Let's see. Yeah, most of the damage has been through just the,
Thermostat.
Thermostats aren't in any of the units?
Only the bottom two. The top two have the mini splits.
Not the bottom two.
Well, they're supposed to be in the bottom two.
Okay. So we gotta check all the thermostats. Okay, and then this one, right? Okay, so do we have a thermostat in here too? Yep, there's one here. I don't see that other window.
Oh, I think it's in the basement.
Oh, it's a basement window?
Yeah.
So every door should look like that, always,
Okay.
in any house.
Yeah.
You know why?
Break-in?
Yes. That happens a lot to our properties, so that's like the first thing when you're walking through a property. There's other ones to buy too that are just like, that go right here.
No, Jesus installed all of those on rentals, or whatever vacant properties need.
So either those work or these work with just a 2x4.
These are more secure than the ones that just screw onto the door frame.
Yeah.
Because these ones we lag bolt into the framing of the house. It's a little more secure than those like hotel room door stoppers.
Yeah, so either one is good. So we'll just do like let's just go back up to those two to see if the thermostats were on those, because that's the only thing. So just these doors, we'll walk the exterior real quick, and that's everything here. So just basically,
Anything on the balconies or anything?
I mean, they just need to be wiped down, really. You know what I mean? Like everything, like, yes, you should look at it. I've been to this house so many damn times. Yeah, basically the windows just need to be cleaned and everything else needs to be wiped down. I wish you could have seen this house before though. Would have given it some justice, because this was a major job. Over $300,000 into this job. I mean, probably damn close at this point in time. I think it was like $250 last time I checked. And this house was basically falling apart. There was nothing to it.
The broken window is right here. We got it boarded up.
Everything's gone here. Looks a lot different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There used to be a big garage right there. We ripped it down.
It was not salvageable.
We cage all of our condensers. You know why?
For theft.
Yeah, people steal them. We have all of our power on this deal.
Yep.
Okay, so we are ready to get this thing sold. And we literally just fenced this in. This is not supposed to be fenced in. We just fenced it in because everybody was coming from here and there to get into our property, so we just blocked them off.
Homeless people sleeping on the back deck. Now they just sleep on the front deck.
Thank you, City Council of Kansas City, appreciate you guys doing a great job with crime prevention. I can tell you that right now. Like, there's everybody breaking into everybody's house everywhere out here in Kansas City. And the only thing they're worried about is trying to make things look like nothing's going on bad.
That house right there across the street, he's called me like 3 or 4 times. Like, hey, there's homeless people wandering around the property.
Yeah.
I'm like, appreciate it, man. Yeah. He's like, you want me to call the cops? I'll take care of it.
Yeah, so one thing that we should always do on our properties, we have the right person that's on top of their schedule. Every 2 weeks you can call and get a complimentary patrol if we've had vandalism and stuff like that on our property like this. So just like every 2 weeks until it's sold. Not that it's gonna do anything, not that they're even gonna patrol, but it's at least one thing that we could request and try to. We've got this neighbor looking out for us over here. This lady's a total, you know what? This guy's was super cool, right? That's the other guy.
He's the mayor of this neighborhood.
He's been here like 80 years or something like that. Yeah, he's like dressed in all red and stuff all the time. All right, so next one.